trying to shoot the moon. He's just keep on escaping. You can see in the screen how beautiful he is. Today I got white moon. Last time I got red moon. Watch carefully. He will keep on moving upside. He will keep on moving upside. Here you can see the dot. You observe the dot. He will move up. See, he's moving up. He's moving very fast. It has took him to 3 minutes to move up. 60. See, he's still moving, and the black dot is gone. He's too fast, man. And I'm trying to adjust it. See on the camera. Keep seeing the camera. Adjust to the center. Adjust to the center. Yes. Now I got an adjustment in the center. Okay, totally 1 hour has been happened. Keep on filming, trying to get the best shot. I'm on my dress right about now. That is my shadow. Okay.